Hello and welcome to the Southeast Idaho Weather Hazard Briefing for Tuesday, January 11th. Here's what you'll see in this presentation today. We're looking for high pressure over the west coast. It'll keep skies mainly clear over the next week at least. There is, though, a weak low pressure passing through the Idaho Panhandle in northern Montana that will spread some clouds through tonight. Southerly airflow will increase during the day on Wednesday and continue through Friday, and this will mean a warming trend of the temperatures. And then the next trough passes through on Thursday night, and that'll bring snow to some of the higher elevations, or at least the chance of it. And then it will turn colder for the weekend as winds turn to be once again out of the north. So we don't have much to say. Tonight we are looking at, there is a threat in the valleys for some local fog, and that's mainly here in the Snake Plain, the Magic Valley, and the Highlands on the east side, especially the Bear Lake Basin. And then Thursday afternoon actually is when you'll see some of the snow start to develop, especially on the western side. But it is, as you can see here, just a slight chance, so it's not it's definitely not a sure thing that this will even occur. Most places will see just a lot of more cloudiness. That'll also help boost the overnight lows, keep them pretty mild, and then that will last potentially into the South Hills and the Southeast Highlands on Friday. As it shifts to the more south, this storm will move in actually from the northwest and basically move north to south across our forecast area. And you can see by Saturday time frame we are looking for the clear skies to return. As I said, with a northerly wind behind that, the only thing we have to worry about there is it will be turning colder once again. So here's a horizontal weather depiction, or a surface weather depiction. You can see the high pressure dominating the western states, except for the low that's entering the Canadian and Washington coast, and that is spreading some snow into the Panhandle area and western Montana. You see it's just not getting this far south really. So highs today will be, actually this is a little bit colder than yesterday was. So we are looking for highs. Once again, we're struggling to get to around 30 degrees down in the valley. It's a lot warmer in the central Idaho mountains, a lot more sunshine, and so we're expecting to see a high in Sun Valley or Ketchum area of 36, and the same there at Stanley. And then overnight lows continue to be cold with the north winds settling in again, and even some areas here with the Arco Desert that would actually be below zero. And the next day you can see very little change in the pattern. We're still getting a lot of moisture going through the Panhandle and into western Montana, but really nothing for us. And so this is when we're going to see a sort of a shift in which air is coming over us. So this air is moving in from the south. You can see we are warming up a solid 2 to 6 degrees or so, and even more in the Stanley Basin and Sun Valley, when you see temperatures there in the 40s with all the sunshine. And so with that warmer temperatures, we get with a warmer start to the evening. That means that temperatures won't cool off quite as much during the overnight on Wednesday night, and so Thursday morning, compared to previous days, it's a little bit warmer. Once again, you can see precipitation in Idaho is limited to the Panhandle. And then here you can see we're warming up a couple more degrees in the central, or in the Snake River Plain, and in the southern and eastern foothills. But you can see the cloud cover moving in is going to take the edge off the temperatures for Stanley and Sun Valley as they once again get closer to Pocatello and Idaho Falls temperatures, and they will definitely be falling during the day on Friday to be colder, as is the normal. And here's Thursday night's lows, the Friday morning lows. You can see it's again fairly mild for this time of year. Temperatures solidly in the teens, no below zeros on this night because there should be plenty of cloud cover. And again, a little bit of snow, most of it limited to places up here in the Island Park area and some of the highlands down here, for instance, the Bear River Range, some of the Caribou Highlands, and then maybe some over on the northwest end of Lemhi County, and maybe filtering down into the mountains here. But it's going to stay pretty high, so it will be an all snow event. I don't foresee any rain coming out of this. That's all I have. If you have any further questions, you can always contact us at the telephone number here, or check out the weather yourself at weather.gov/Pocatello. Thanks for watching.